Thomas here, TpParts RcXtreme, and I wanted to show you my latest creation, the ARRMA Nero XL made by TpParts RcXtreme. I just finished this truck and I have tested it 2 times, one soft and one a little bit harder, so my plan today is to give it a real go. As you can see, it's winter here in Sweden and it's freezing, so we'll find out how the plastic will react on this kind of bashing. So basically, from the beginning I took a new ARRMA Nero 6S BLX with diff brain, and I thought that I want to do something one of a kind, so I contacted a friend, Stefan Larsson, who helped me with the CAD design and he also cut the carbon fiber, the twin vertical plate chassis. This one is in 4mm carbon fiber versus the stock aluminum 3mm, and it's not just basically a stretched truck. I did have to think a little bit before I just extended it. So there was quite some time I barely thought this may not work out, but with a lot of help from him it went out really good. And the carbon fiber is super glossy from Kingdom Industries, Kingdom FPV. Mr. Abel Tang provided this, I bought it from him. And it's, if you compare the flex to the aluminum one, it's like compare paper and carbon fiber. It has absolutely zero flex, this chassis. It's super strong, and I have extended the whole truck 66mm from the stock Nero, and it's not, like I said, just stretch it out. The main issue is the center driveline, the center shafts, how to solve that, but ARRMA have tons of parts from other trucks and the same trucks too. I'm gonna move a bit closer here, I hope you can see this. I used the Driveshaft Cd Tubes for the center driveline, in the rear and in the front. So basically they are 80mm, and the stock rear one is 41, and the stock front is, now let's see, 53. So I extended from the motor and the gearbox compartment, I added 27mm in the front and 41 in the rear. So I achieved this wheelbase that is approximately 20mm less than the X-Max, and to get a proper look I had to widen the truck, and there aren't any longer arms, and so I had to contact TpM Germany, MMM Germany, Michael Meyer. He made a custom 20mm extended hex that are a direct fit for the 17mm hex wheels. As you can see, I'm running the Proline trenchers, which provide a decent good grip, not on ice, but okay on snow. And for the electronics, I choose the Harbor Wing Max 6. I can take 8S LiPos. And for the motor, that wasn't the easiest selection, or how you call it. I wanted the 1600 kV 4282 motor, but it was out of order, so I ordered the 2000 RPM motor, but I received the 2200 kV, so I can run 8S, but probably the motor will break. So For now I'm gonna run 6S, and it has a tremendous amount of torque and power. And for the servo I'm using the Savöx 1256 TG, and it's working awesome too. It's almost just a bolt-on. You have to do some adjustments for the Leopard trays to fit when you're attaching this, when you mount it together. Another cool thing is the stock motor is 75 millimeters, and you can barely fit a 4282, but with this extension you can run up to 114 millimeter cans. Huge power. And another thing, I wanted to look not stock but as close as possible. The rear, how you say, skid plate. The stock holes for this one remained, so I had to I took a new one and cut the end and the front of it, and made it to fit. So it's kind of slick. I'm very pleased. So that's it. The ARRMA Nero XL 6S to 8S by TpParts RcXtreme, and now it's time to hard test it. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you next time.